Which lens is this?
Concave.
Concave lens. Then concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter from an image. So that means focal length is 15 centimeter. Picture small letter F is the symbol of
Focal length.
Focal length. Don't write now, just listen everyone. Then the image 10 centimeter from the lens. So I am just writing image. What is the symbol for image distance?
Miss U. Sorry, V.
V. U is the symbol for boys. Please keep quiet. I know you know the answer well. Girls, please tell the answer. Object distance is very good. U. So image distance is
V.
Where is this image? From the lens 10 centimeter. That means B equal to 10 centimeter. In the bracket I am writing from the lens. Okay. Then how far is the object placed from the lens? How draw the ray diagram. So where is your object? That means you. That is our question. Clear everyone? So listen here. Don't write now. Don't do anything. Just listen in the board. How to do the problem. First is concave lens. So my first step is draw the concave lens. It is right?
No, miss.
Which lens is this?
Convex.
Just how to draw the concave like that. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Okay, this is the concave lens. This line is called as
Principal axis.
मैं इधर खाते तो गर्ल्स आंसर बोलेगा, इधर खाते तो बॉयज आंसर बोलेगा. पूरा क्लास अलग मत करना, है ना? So this is principal axis. This point is where is the focus of this concave lens?
Miss,
In this side or in this side?
miss in the secondary focus.
Secondary focus is? Am I right?
No, miss. It will here.
This is primary focus and this one is
Secondary focus.
Normally focus means secondary focus. Focal length means
Distance between optical center and secondary
to
focus.
secondary focus. You already know this much. So this is my incident ray. All the measurements are starting from, in the case of lenses, Cartesian sign conversion. All the measurements are starting from very good, optical center. That means focal length is positive or negative?
Negative.
Why it is negative?
Because it is in opposite direction.
This much clear everyone? So I am writing this. This 15 is positive nahi hai, this 15 is
Negative.
Reason you know well. Okay. The next one is image is 10 centimeter from the lens. Any question mein the word is given from the lens. The meaning is that this is that image hai to image, object hai to image. From the lens. Clear everyone?
Yes.
This is your image. This image is 10 centimeter from the lens. So sign kya hai? What is the sign? Negative. Why the sign is negative? Opposite direction of incident ray. So B equal to minus 10. What is your question? To find out the value of object distance. So that means U we want to find out. What is length formula? Length formula. 1 by F equal to 1 by B minus 1 by U. Right here, length formula 1 by F equal to 1 by B minus 1 by U. What is the value of F? Minus 50. That is the value of B minus 10 minus 1 by U. Okay. Then take this 1 by minus 10 in the other side. So 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by 10 will be coming?
Plus 1 by 10.
1 by 10 equal to minus 1 by U. Am I right enough?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then simplify it. Take LCM.
15.
1 by minus 15 plus 1 by 10 equal to minus 1 by U. 10 and 15.
15.
What is LCM of that?
15.
5 in 3, 2. Am I right? 3 in 1, 2. Then
20.
15 into 2 answer is
30.
So 30 is the LCM. Minus 5 how many times it will be 2? Minus 2 times. Am I right? So here you got it? Yes. Okay, then after that 10 how many times will be going on in 30?
3.
3 times. That is minus 1 by U. So 3 plus minus 2 answer is
1 upon 30.
1 by 30 equal to minus 1 by U. So U equal to
30.
minus 30
sorry.
centimeter is the answer. So what is the meaning is that your object is 30 centimeter from the lens. Why the reason is minus? Because the object is also in the same side. Clear है ना सबको?
Yes, miss.
So this is your object. One more question is also added in the same part B also in the question. That part B is draw the diagram. Listen here. Hello ma'am. How to draw the diagram? So this much clear for everyone.
Yes,
Okay?
miss.
Any doubt you have?
No, miss.
Okay then. Listen here. How to draw the diagram? First you should draw a concave lens, principal axis, optical center, primary focus, secondary focus. This distance is
Miss, there it will be miss. In the first set it will be F2.
exactly. So this is 2. This distance is 15 centimeter. Okay. Then after that your image, that means in 30 centimeter this is your object. This distance is, we already get it, 30 centimeter. I'm just drawn right because I want to form the image formation. That's why. Okay. So all the incident rays are starting from
Optical center.
My God, all the measurements are starting from optical center. Incident ray कहाँ से start करेगा?
From the top of the object.
Top of the object. So this is my object, top of object. This is the first incident ray. Incident ray is parallel to the principal axis after the refraction. Incident ray parallel to the principal axis after the refraction.
It will diverge.
It will be diverged. Divergence कैसे है? इस type के. Am I right? Then after that we should extend this. It will be passing through secondary focus. The next one, incident ray passing through the primary focus. So extended incident ray passing through the primary focus after the refraction, parallel to the principal axis. So you can just see here, this intersecting point is this. This is your
Image.
image eye. So where is this image? 10 centimeter from the lens. What is the properties of this image? This
Invert.
image is real है क्या?
Miss, virtual
It is
image.
virtual, it is diminished,
And erect.
it is erect. Erect कहते हैं मालूम है ना? What is
Yes,
the meaning
miss.
of erect? Above the principal axis, the intersecting point, that is called as
Erect.
It is a concave lens. That's the reason the image is a virtual. And size देखो, size छोटा है. That's the reason it is called as diminished. Clear everyone? Diagram समझ होगा?
Yes, miss.
Any doubt in the case of diagram?
No, miss.
Okay, then pause the video and try using a convex lens. He noted down the position of the candle screen and the lenses under. So first we should draw a convex lens. Principal axis, optical center. In front of the lens, my object candle. Okay. This is my object. The position of the candle is 12 centimeter. So this distance is
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. The position of the candle is 12 centimeter and position of the convex lens is 50 centimeter and position of the screen is 80 centimeter. So this is the screen. Position of the candle in 12 centimeter. Position of the convex lens is 50 centimeter. Position of the screen in 88 centimeter. These are the given data. Okay. Then next is, what is the focal length of the convex lens? Our first question is find out the focal length of this lens. So second question, where will be the image is formed? Image is formed if we shift the candle towards the lens at the position of 31 centimeter. So first we want to find out the focal length. Listen here. U and V is given in this expression. No. What is U? This distance is U. How to find out this distance? This is starting 0. Clear everyone? This is the starting 0. 0 to 12 centimeter is the candle. 0 to 50 centimeter is the lens. Lens to candle distance is called as U. So how to find out this U? 50 minus 12. Idea मिला सबको?
Yes, miss.
So U equal to,
30.
U means U क्या है?
Object distance.
Very good. Object distance. U equal to
38.
50 minus 12. Your answer is 38 centimeter. V मिला ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one we want to find out V. What is the V? Distance between lens to image. Where is the image? Image is formed on the screen. So this distance is V. How to find out the V?
88
0
centimeter.
to 50 centimeter is the lens. 0 to 88 centimeter is the
Screen.
otherwise image. So V value is 88 minus 50. So V equal to 88
38.
minus 50. What is the answer?
38 centimeter.
This is also 38 centimeter. Listen everyone. In the case of a convex lens image formation, one of the image formation is same size of the image, real image, inverted image. What is that point? Same size of image एक ही place में मिलेगा. Where is that point?
Yes, it will be.
Object
between the focus and
No sir.
means
One object एक ही place में डालते हैं तो same size image मिलेगा.
Miss, at the
Same
infinity.
thing. Eh?
Infinity.
No, the object at 2f, the image is also formed 2f, the same size and same distance image. You remember, you have it out, you please check it. The object at 2f, your image is also formed at 2f. What are the properties of the image? Same size of the object का same size में image भी मिलेगा. कहाँ? Object 2f में डालते हैं तो. समझ गया ना? What is the condition? Each and every image formation have a unique. So you just check it out, draw it properly and revise it. Class में समझ हो जाएगा, इसके बाद पढ़ते नहीं है तो you don't get it in your exam time. So revise it. आज का क्वेश्चन आज से पढ़ो, आज क्लास के पहले एक और बार भी देखो. That is the method to study. आ रहे कुछ सोच ले वापस जाते हैं तो कैसे पढ़ेगा? It's not possible. So revise your topics and get ready for the next class. Okay. So whenever the object is placed at 2f, the image is also formed at 2f. That means U and V both are same. The meaning क्या है? The object is placed at 2f. That is the meaning. Is much clear, everyone?
Yes.
What is the meaning of 2f?
Miss, the
Focus का another version. F 2f. मालूम है ना? Okay. Then after that, so 2f you should get it. Then f equal to 2f equal to 38. That we should get now. So what is f? F equal to 38 divided by 2. What is the answer?
19.
19 centimeter. So that means the focal length. What is the focus? So focus का distance मिला अभी कितना है? 19 centimeter. So where is this 19 centimeter? 0 to the object in the 12. Focal length is 0 to 90 centimeter is the focus. So what is the focal length?
19 centimeter.
Focal length.
Sorry.
Focal length. Distance between optical center to focus. So focal length equal to 0 to 50 is the lens. 0 to 90 is the focus. So focal length is 50 minus 90. What is your answer?
39.
31 centimeter. इतना समझ गया सबको?
Yes, miss.
So first question का आंसर मिला ना, focal length is 31 centimeter. This much clear for everyone? समझ गया अच्छे से? Listen here once more time. In this question, U and V are not given directly. So we want to find out U and V. Okay? And just to draw the diagram once more, then you got it easy. So what are the given data? In this question, one convex lens is given. Optical center is here. This lens is 50 centimeter. This is the position. The lens position is given 50 centimeter. ठीक है? Then what is the other data? Up to 88 centimeter. Right है ना? The 88 centimeter one of the screen is here. That is your image position. Image in screen. Candle is your object. Where is the candle position? At 12 centimeter. Am I right? 12 centimeter. But U and V is not given. We want to find out U and V. What is U?
It's the object distance.
Object distance. So what is the object distance? What is the object distance from lens to object? This is the object distance U. And how to find out U? 50 minus 12. Your answer is
38
38 centimeter. Next one we want to find out V. V image. So B is also 88 is the position of the screen, 50 is the position of the lens written properly. 88 minus 50, your answer is 38 centimeter. So दोनों का आंसर मिलने के बाद हम लोग को समझ होगा U value is equal to V value. This condition only happening when the object is placed at
12.
2F. अभी समझ गया क्या?
Yes, miss.
U equal to V. The size of the image equal to size of the object. Where is the object? The same place में image भी मिलेगा. This is only one condition will be happening like that. That is 2F. So 2F equal to 38. So F equal to 38 by 2. 90. Capital F is 90. That means focus is placed at 90 centimeters. That means 0 to 90 centimeter में कौन है?
Focus.
Focus है. What we want to find out?
Focal
Focal length. Focal length means distance between optical center to focus. Yes, sir. So that means up to lens that is 50, focus is 90. So 50 minus 90, your answer is 31 centimeter. अभी समझ होगा?
Yes, miss.
Pause the video. हाँ sir. please.
Miss, the distance.
On anything like listen here everyone. Second part of the question, find out the image distance. That means B when the candle is placed 31 centimeter towards the lens. What is the previous position of the candle? 12 centimeters. So I must consider the same lens, diagram and form, convex lens, principal axis, optical center. Where is the F2 in the convex lens? This side or this side?
Miss, in this side.
Convex.
Miss, right side.
Right side.
This is the secondary focus. Convex scope. Concave is the secondary focus is here. This is the primary focus. Am I right, है ना? सही है ना? Okay. Then. So this is the secondary focus, primary focus. Where is the candle now?
Miss, in the 30.
31 centimeter. Where is your lens?
Miss, in the middle.
Lens is 50 centimeter. Am I right, है ना? सही है ना? Question already given. Lens is position of the lens is 50 centimeter. Now the candle is changed the position. Now the candle is placed in 31 centimeter. Step 1. Candle in 31 centimeter. Candle means क्या है? Object. Object. What is the focus? What is the position of the focus? 19 centimeter. सही है ना? पहले हम लोग पढ़ते थे focal length कितना है? Focal length कितना था? 31. That means position of the focus is 90. Primary focus 90 में है तो secondary focus कहाँ है मैम? Yes, you are. Primary focus 90 centimeter में है. So secondary focus कहाँ आ जाऊँगा? Yes, you are ma'am. Ma'am, you please stand up and tell the answer. बोल दीजिए. प्राइमरी फोकस 90 सेंटीमीटर में है तो सेकेंडरी फोकस में कहाँ डालूं? मालूम है क्या आपको? There are absent in the last classes. What is your name? मालूम है आपका नाम मालूम है? What is your name? Pause the video please. This much data we already know. Where is the screen? What is the position of the screen?
88 centimeter.
centimeter में screen है. Screen means image. Image. Okay. Then we want to find out U and V. So then how to find out U in this case? U means object distance. How to find out the object distance? Lens to candle. Lens position is
50 centimeter.
Candle position is
31 centimeter.
Your answer is
19.
19 centimeter. Okay. What is the V in this case? V का value?
Same 38.
V का value we want to find out है ना? But we want to find out the value of V. What is the focal length?
It's 19 centimeter.
19 centimeter. We already know the focal length is 19 centimeter. Using the length formula. What is length formula? Ma'am, length formula क्या है? जल्दी बोलो. Length formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Am I right? सही है क्या? सही है. अच्छा से एक और बात भी देखो. 1 by f equal to 1 by v. Very good. माइनस है ना? प्लस है तो मिरर फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा. 1 by v minus 1 by u. F you know, u value you already know. Find out the value of v after the simplification. Please do it. Pause the video. Condition we want to find out the image distance P. What are the given data are given? Focus is given, that is 31 centimeter is the position, and object means candle is replaced from 12 centimeter to 31 centimeter, and focal length is 50 minus 31 90. So this is the secondary focus. These are also focal length is 90, and object distance is 50 minus 31. Your answer is 19 centimeter. So in this condition you get it F equal to 19 and U is equal to 90. What is in the previous case? U equal to 38, V is also 38. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the reason we have to tell it as your object is placed at the position of
2F.
2F. But in this case not like that. Focal length is 90 and object distance is 90. So where is your image? Apply like that, simplify it, you should get the answer 1 by V equal to 0. That means image is placed at infinity. So third part of the question. Second part is completed. I hope we can clear this. Okay. So third part of the question. What will be the nature of the image formed if further shift the candle towards the lens? So फिर भी candle lens के पास में move करते हैं तो what are the properties in the case of image? Image में क्या क्या property हो जाएगा? Image will be formed at infinity. Image infinity में है तो image erect है क्या inverted है क्या? Erect, because image at infinity means the image is formed above the principal axis. The image is real or virtual? Virtual, because extended form it is not a real. The image size is diminished or enlarged? Enlarged. You know everything. You write the characteristic of the image. The image at placed at infinity, it is a virtual image, it is an erect image, and it is enlarged image. Clear everyone? Okay, please write these natures of the image also. Virtual positive. Virtual is object size. Object size means h height of the object 3 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a convex lens. मैं पहले भी बोली आप लोगों को from the convex lens means in front of the lens, है ना? From the convex lens, focal length is 10 centimeter. Calculate the distance size of the image so formed. What will be the nature of the image? Listen here. How to solve the problem? First, we should bother about the given data and draw the diagram using the lens formula and apply the Cartesian sign conversion. Then simplify it. You should get the answer. Listen here. First is object size. What is the symbol of object size? Is h. H equal to 3 centimeter. Which lens is here? Convex lens. Optical center. Principal axis. This focus is primary or secondary?
Secondary focus.
Secondary focus. Primary focus. So this secondary focus distance is called as
Focal
length. Am I right? That focal length sign is
smaller.
Focal length का sign negative or positive?
Positive.
Positive. Why? Because the same direction of incident ray. So solve better. Focal length equal to positive. Data is given 10 centimeter. This much समझ गया? Okay. Then object is in from the convex lens. Object is 50 centimeter. That means from the lens. Object in 15 centimeter. So this is my object. This much clear everyone? Because 15 is positive or negative? Negative. Hey boys, पूरा answer मत बोलना ना. Girls को भी. Answer क्या है? Negative. Why it is negative? Opposite direction of incident ray. So what is the symbol of object distance? Object distance का symbol क्या है? U equal to minus 15 centimeter. Clear everyone? These are the given data. Then calculate the object distance, otherwise image distance. What is the symbol of image distance?
V.
Length formula बोल दीजिए. Last one, मैम. जैसे बोलो ना गलत भी क्या है मैं क्या करूँगा? बोल दीजिए. Length formula. Very good. 1 by f equal to s. 1 by v minus 1 by u. F का value क्या है मैम? 1 by 10. What is the value of v? That is our question. What is the value of u? Minus 50. देखो इधर एक confusion हो जाएगा.
Plus.
प्लस हो जाएगा ना, sit down, very good. So 1 by 10 equal to 1 by b plus 1 by 15. How to simplify? This plus 15 को तो डालना ना, minus हो जाएगा. So 1 by b equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 15. 10 15 LCM.
10.
10 15 LCM. 5 2 3 10 30 सही है. 30. 10 how many times will be going on? 3. 15 कितना टाइम हो जाएगा? 2. That is 1 by b. So
1 by
that means 1 by b equal to
minus
1
30.
by 30 ना. So b equal to
Minus 30.
b equal to
Minus 30.
minus कैसे आ जाएगा? 30 है ना. 3 minus 2 का आंसर 1 है ना सर. So minus is not here. So 30 centimeter. So b equal to 30. पॉजिटिव है तो कहाँ ये इमेज कहाँ है? इधर है क्या? इधर है क्या? राइट साइड. क्लियर है ना अभी? पॉजिटिव है तो राइट साइड ऑफ द लेंस. So this is your image. Image size is 30 centimeter and image size नहीं है. Image distance is 30 centimeter. This is your image. This much clear for everyone? What are the characteristics of the image? Is it real है क्या? Yes, it is a real. It is erect है क्या?
Yes.
No, it's not erect. I am just drawing like that. It is inverted image and size that we want to find out. What are the size of the image? So how to find out the size of the image? Using the symbol of magnification. Expression क्या है? V by U equal to
H dash upon H.
very good. H dash by
H.
H. That is the expression. H dash by H. What is the value of V? 30. What is the value of U? What is it?
Minus 15.
Minus 15 is the answer. Don't write 15 simply. Minus 15. What is the value of H dash? We want to find out. What is the value of H?
100.
Eh? Very good. 3 centimeter. Then how to find out H dash?
H dash
3 into 30
upon
divided by
15. Minus 15.
15 equal to H dash. So you should get the answer. 3 into 30 answer is 90. So H dash equal to 90 minus 15. So कटना होने के बाद minus 6. So H dash equal to minus 6 centimeter. What is the meaning of minus? The image is below the principal axis. समझ गया ना? So it is erect है क्या inverted है क्या? Inverted. So H dash में minus है तो it is inverted. Convex lens है तो it is real. Size height is 3 था. इधर image का height is 6. तो छोटा है क्या बड़ा है क्या?
Enlarged.
Enlarged. Clear everyone? Minus. Sir, this minus is only given the direction. Below the principal axis बोलते हैं तो sin का minus का property खत्म. Minus 6 का value नहीं. This is not a mathematics. समझ गया ना? Physics में minus is otherwise sign is denoted by direction. Cartesian sign conversion के बारे में negative आ गया. Negative 6 का value नहीं है. Clear everyone? So minus 6. That's the reason I am writing inverted. Because the intersecting point is below the principal axis. Convex lens है तो real and height 6 is the value. That's the reason enlarged. You got it? Okay, enlarged there. Then what is the position of the image? Position of the image is 30 centimeter from the lens. समझ गए इतना?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubts you have? Clear the numerical. Doubt है तो अभी पूछो after video. So the image formation of convex lenses. What is this convex lens is called as
Converging.
Converging lens. Converging lens. That means all the images are real or virtual?
Real.
Real. All the images are real. So I am just considering a converging lens. Converging lens means convex lens. This is my principal axis. Optical center. Where is the secondary focus?
In the second.
This is my secondary focus. Primary focus. Double of the primary focus. Double of the
Secondary focus.
secondary focus. This much clear? So this is the lens of the simple microscope. So which lens is used for simple microscope?
Converging lens.
इतना समझ गया ना? So convex lens is the lens of the simple microscope. Convex lens. Convex lens is also known as
Converging lens.
converging lens. Okay. Then after that, I am considering my object is here. This is my object. Okay, object for O. Where is the position of the object now?
Between optical center and
Optical center to
primary focus.
Sir, सही है ना अभी? इधर देख लीजिए. Object is placed in between optical center to
Primary.
focus. And start the image formation. And first rule is incident ray. All the incident rays are starting from
top of the object.
Top of the object. This is my first incident ray. Nature is parallel to the principal axis. After the refraction, passing through the secondary focus. Clear everyone?
Yes, miss.
सही है ना? Doubt पूछे क्या?
No, miss.
Okay. So another incident ray passing through the optical center. What happened after the refraction? Reflecting back to the same path. Any image आप लोगों को मिला अभी?
No, miss.
No image is there. So we should extend the first refracted ray and the second refracted ray. Both are joining a point behind the 2F. So देखो, this is my image. How the size of the image?
Enlarged.
Enlarged. Object छोटा था, अभी image large. What is the meaning? Microscope is using like that. Simple object we should put it in between O and F. We should get the image in enlarged size. This image is real.
Yes, miss.
Because the convex lens is the image is
Real.
Where is the position of the image?
Behind the 2F.
What is the size of the image?
Enlarged.
Enlarged. And what is the other data? It is virtual or erect? It is inverted or erect?
Miss,
Erect,
inverted.
because before above the
Above
principal
the-
axis it is erect. Below the principal axis it is
Inverted.
So which nature is this? Erect. Clear everyone? So this is the basic principle of simple microscope. समझ गया क्या?
Yes, miss.
थोड़ा सा भी बाकी है. We should continue the next class.